Hi, this is Nitin Joshi, and I'm thrilled to talk to you about Cage Bio. We are a small biotech startup company. We started in California, and we are now looking to move and expand and grow in the North Texas region. We're attracted by the infrastructure that exists for companies such as ours through the UNT-HSC and other new incubators that are starting up in that area, and then the access to capital is also growing quite rapidly. So that's what has attracted us to come there. We formed this company primarily to exploit the benefits of ionic liquids. For example, they are extremely effective at killing the coronavirus, a human coronavirus, which is a big issue that we face today. And one of our lead products that we're working on now is a long-lasting hand sanitizer. What it means is that when you apply it on your hands, it's going to protect your hands from pathogens such as the coronavirus and other bacteria, for a period of time, like 4 hours is what we've tested it so far. And that's very different from the current products that you use, which are hand sanitizers that only have alcohol, which evaporates in 15-20 seconds. So a minute after you use it, your hands are vulnerable again. And people recognize that, and there is a significant worry factor there as they're trying to get back to their daily lives. And that's the problem that we can solve. Ionic liquids are great at killing these pathogens. They are safe because they are formed using endogenous molecules. So as they are on your hands, even if you happen to ingest it, touch it to your face or your eyes or whatever, they're safe because they're formed using that. But to pathogens, they are extremely effective in completely neutralizing them. So we feel that at a time when we've come to a stand, not just us, the whole globe is on its knees against this pandemic. We think we can help, and not only now, even against seasonal things like the flu or GI issues that come from poor hand sanitation. These things is where I think right now we're 5 people. We are all predominantly people with science background, scientists, and we have one person who has a commercial background. I hope to grow to add another 5 more people, so be close to a 10 people company in the next 18 to 24 months. All of our growth from here on is going to be in Texas. So in the North Texas area, we're looking to select potential manufacturing partners in the Texas region as well. We've shortlisted 2 that we really like, and we'll probably select one of those. So that's where our base is going to be. And so a year and a half, 2 years from today, I see ourselves being in double digits in terms of number of people and growing in that region. The attractiveness for connecting with BioNorth Texas was that it brings those key elements that are required. On one hand, you need the scientific infrastructure, which means the facilities and, more importantly, the people who you can recruit and bring on your team. And now the other side is to bring together the capital that is going to fund all these activities. So BioNorth Texas, they bring these 2 together pretty well, and our hope is to be a part of that, not only to benefit from it, but also grow and eventually give back to it. We got introduced to BioNorth Texas through some of our investors who are based in Texas, and through Tech Fort Worth. Hayden there talked a lot about this area. Then we got connected with Rob at the Health Science Center. And through these connections, we got connected to BioNorth Texas, and I understand that they select these companies that, handful companies that get recognized based on how they're doing as a company, and then also the type of impact that the work that they're doing or the products they're developing could have, not only to just the local community in North Texas, of course that's important, but also, in the broader sense, for society in general. So that's pretty exciting to get that. And I through my interaction with the people in UNT and our investors in Texas, I've gotten a chance to see a lot of small companies that are in that region that are doing some really exciting work. So and we wish all of them well, but through all of that, to get selected to get the Rising Star Award is incredible. It's great. It helps us get that belief that we're doing something that is worthwhile and that we should should continue. It's humbling to know, and it also reminds us that we have to stay focused on doing what we're doing, and because there is value, there is light at the other end of the side, and it is going to benefit society. So helps us, reminds us to stay focused.